Welcome to the eTutorials Self-Loan via RWTH app. In this video, we show you how to borrow books using the barcode scanner in the RWTH app. You ordered books via Catalog Plus and received the message that they are ready at the collection shelf. The collection shelf is located in the foyer of the central library in front of the counter on the left-hand side. The ordered books are stored on the collection shelf under the last letter of your UBID. You can find your UBID in the RWTH app in the University Library section at the bottom. You can also borrow books from the open stacks for natural sciences and engineering on the second floor of the main library, and from the open stacks area on the third floor in Library 2 yourself, using the barcode scanner. To do this, go to the shelf and take out the desired book. You can scan and borrow it. Please note, books with a yellow label are reference copies and are excluded from self-loan. Individual journal issues or media with restricted use can also not be borrowed via the RWTH app. You open the books you wish to borrow on the last page. Here you will find the UB barcode pasted in. In the RWTH app, select the barcode scanner symbol at the bottom right in the University Library section. Scan the barcode until it is recognized. You will then find the book with the due date in the list of your loans. The following media are excluded from self-loan. These must be borrowed via the circulation desk. Interlibrary loans, media from the medical library and protected media. Can't find the book you ordered or don't have your smartphone to hand? No problem. The staff at the circulation desk will be happy to help you during service hours.